V&V Supremo presents
With V&V Supremo products, today we will be preparing chorizo with beans using 1 12-ounce package of pork chorizo original spicy, 3/4 of a cup of queso fresco, 4 cups of pinto beans, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1 clove of minced garlic. This recipe makes 8 servings. Start by removing the plastic casing from the 12-ounce package pork chorizo original spicy, picante, or mild no picante. In a skillet over medium heat, cook the chorizo for 10 to 12 minutes. In another skillet, with 2 tablespoons of oil, saute 1/4 of the onion for 30 seconds, add the minced garlic and saute for 10 seconds more. Drain the beans and set the broth aside. Add the beans and saute for another 5 minutes. Once the chorizo is fully cooked, add the beans, mix them well, incorporate the broth, and mash the beans. The beans can be home-cooked depending on the time you have to prepare this delicious and nutritious recipe. Sprinkle crumbled queso fresco on top and serve as an appetizer or a side dish.
V&V Supremo is a cheese love.
Mom always cooks with love.
Put some love in your life.
To add a touch of love to your cooking, always use V&V Supremo.
If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for Laura regarding any recipe from V&V Supremo, visit us at vvsupremo.com.